Yo, developers of India, ever felt that pang of dread when deploying your masterpiece to the web? That moment when your heart races, your palms get sweaty, and you can't help but wonder if everything will go smoothly or if you'll be spending the next few hours putting out fires? Yeah, that will it work. Won't it work anxiety? It's like waiting for exam results, but worse because it's your hard work on the line. We've all been there, my friends, struggling with servers, configurations, and the endless loop of debugging. It's a rite of passage for every developer. You think you've got everything figured out, but then, bam! Another error pops up, and you're back to square one. It's enough to make you want to chuck your laptop out the window and become a chaiwala. No disrespect to chaiwalas, their chai is life. Seriously, the frustration can be overwhelming. You start questioning your career choices, wondering if maybe you should have taken up something less stressful, like knitting. But hold on, what if I told you there's a way to deploy your web apps faster than you can say Sachin Tendulkar? Imagine a world where deployment is not a dreaded task, but a seamless part of your workflow. A platform so seamless, it feels like magic, but without the creepy chants and incense sticks. No more late nights spent wrestling with server configurations or pulling your hair out over cryptic error messages. Enter Vercel, the superhero of the deployment world, here to rescue you from the clutches of deployment despair. Vercel is like that friend who always has your back, making sure everything goes smoothly. Get ready to ditch those deployment woes and embrace a world of effortless, lightning-fast deployments. With Vercel, you can focus on what you do best, writing amazing code while it takes care of the rest. In this guide, we'll break down everything you need to know about Vercel, from its origin story to its mind-blowing features. We'll explore how it can transform your development process, making deployments a breeze. So, grab your chai, get comfy, and let's dive into the wonderful world of Vercel. We'll cover its intuitive interface, powerful integrations, and how it can save you time and headaches. By the end of this guide, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Ready? Let's get started. Vercel, formerly known as Zeit, because even cool companies go through awkward teenage phases, is a cloud platform for front-end frameworks and static sites. It's like the Swiss Army knife for developers, offering a plethora of tools and features that make web development not just easier, but also more efficient and enjoyable. Think of it as the cool kid on the block who everyone wants to be friends with. It's the platform that turns heads and makes other platforms wish they were as user-friendly and powerful. Why? Because it makes deploying your web projects a piece of cake. Imagine being able to push your code live with just a few clicks, without having to worry about the underlying infrastructure. That's the magic of Vercel. Created by the genius minds behind Next.js, another awesome tool you should totally check out. Vercel is designed to integrate seamlessly with your development workflow. Vercel is all about speed, simplicity, and developer experience. It's like having a personal assistant who takes care of all the tedious tasks so you can focus on what you do best, writing great code. They've basically taken all the pain points of traditional deployment and thrown them out the window. Don't worry, no laptops were harmed in the making of this platform. No more dealing with complex server configurations or worrying about scaling issues. Whether you're building a personal blog, a portfolio website, or even an e-commerce site, Vercel has the tools you need to get your project off the ground quickly and efficiently. Or a complex web application, Vercel has got your back. It's like having a safety net that ensures your deployments go smoothly, no matter how complicated your project is. Vercel has got your back. It offers a range of features like automatic scaling, serverless functions, and instant cache invalidation, making it a one-stop shop for all your deployment needs. It supports all the cool kids on the block, like React, Angular, Vue.js, and of course Next.js. This means you can use your favorite tools and frameworks without any compatibility issues. So, no matter your weapon of choice, Vercel welcomes you with open arms and a super smooth deployment process. It's like joining an exclusive club where everyone speaks your language and understands your needs. So, what's the deal, bro? The deal is that Vercel is here to make your life as a developer easier, more efficient, and a whole lot more fun. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room: deployment. It's the part of the development process that can turn even the most seasoned developer into a ball of stress. Traditionally, deploying a web app was like navigating a crowded marketplace during Diwali: chaotic, confusing, and guaranteed to give you a headache. Imagine trying to find your way through a sea of people, each one representing a different server configuration or database setup. You had to set up servers, configure databases, and pray to the tech gods that everything worked smoothly. It was a process fraught with potential pitfalls, from misconfigured settings to unexpected downtime. And let's not forget the endless troubleshooting sessions that could stretch into the wee hours of the morning. But with Vercel, it's like ordering your favorite biryani on Swiggy: quick, easy, and hassle-free. Just as you trust Swiggy to deliver your meal hot and fresh, you can trust Vercel to handle your deployment with the same level of efficiency and reliability. You just push your code to your Git repository, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. Vercel plays nice with everyone, and Vercel takes care of the rest. No more manual server configurations or database setups. It's all automated, freeing you up to focus on what you do best: writing code. It automatically builds and deploys your app to a global network of servers, ensuring lightning-fast loading times for your users, no matter where they are in the world. And the best part? You don't have to lift a finger. Vercel handles everything behind the scenes, so you can sit back and relax. You don't need to be a server whispering guru to use Vercel. Its intuitive interface and simple workflow make it accessible to developers of all levels, from seasoned veterans to newbies just starting their coding journey. Whether you're deploying a small personal project or a large-scale enterprise application, Vercel has got you covered. Its intuitive interface and simple workflow make it accessible to developers of all levels, from seasoned veterans to newbies just starting their coding journey. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, with clear instructions and helpful documentation to guide you every step of the way. Plus, Vercel's community is always there to support you, with forums and resources to help you troubleshoot any issues you might encounter. So, say goodbye to the headaches and frustrations of traditional deployment methods. With Vercel, you can enjoy a seamless, stress-free deployment process that lets you focus on what really matters: building amazing web applications. Whether you're a solo developer or part of a larger team, Vercel makes deployment a breeze. So why wait? Give Vercel a try and experience the future of web app deployment today. Now, you might be thinking, hey Tanmay, there are other deployment platforms out there, like Netlify, Heroku, and AWS. Why should I choose Vercel? Well, my friend, that's like asking why Dhoni is the coolest captain ever. Sure, there are other captains, but Dhoni has that X factor, that aura of awesomeness. And Vercel? It's got the deployment X factor in spades. While other platforms offer similar features, Vercel stands out with its laser focus on front-end development and its seamless integration with popular JavaScript frameworks. It's like the platform was designed by developers for developers, because it was. Plus, Vercel's serverless functions and edge caching capabilities make your apps blazing fast, even with high traffic. It's like having your own personal cheer squad cheering your app onto victory, without the awkward chants and synchronized dance moves.